Hello all, good morning everyone. So let's solve another SQL problem of LeetCode. We have given the enrollments table in which student ID, course ID and grade is given. Student ID and course ID is the primary key combination of columns with unique values. This means student ID and course ID is a primary key and its combination will be unique in this table. Grade is never null. So you can say that combination of two keys, then it is known as composite key, right? You can say that composite primary key, right? Now write a solution to find the highest grade with its corresponding course for each student. In case of a tie, you should find the course with the smallest course ID and then return the result table order by student ID in ascending order. The result format is in the following example. So whenever we find that each student or each product or each product category like that kind of keyword, either we have to use group by clause or we have to use partition by clause in ranking functions, right? So now let's see the example. This is the table they have given us, the enrollments table. So let's see the data of the enrollments table and this should be the output, right? So what is our requirement? We have seen, right? Find the highest grade with his corresponding course for each student. So what is the highest grade for student 1? It is 99, right? Then for student 2 it is 95 and for student 3 it is 82, right? So I have created this enrollments table and inserted the data into the same. Now let's see the result. Let's write the query. So I have already written it. So if you see over here, selects to this is the table they have given us, enrollments table. And we require the highest grade across all the students based upon their grade, right? And if there are a tie between the two records, then we need to order by course ID in ascending order, right? So I have used the rank function over here, rank over partition by student ID and order by grade. So it will generate a rank, right? Based upon this order by conditions. So if you execute this query, then for student ID 1 highest grade, it will give rank 1. Then student and the second highest grade, it will give rank 2, like that. Then for student 3, if you see highest grade, it will give rank 1. Then second highest grade, it will give rank 2, like that, right? And over here if you see this is the main thing. If there is a tie in the highest grade, then we need to order by the course ID, right? So this is the course ID and course ID in ascending order. So that's why this 2 is coming first, right? This is a course ID, right? So that is the thing we have to see over here, order by clause. And we require only with rank 1 grades, right? That is our requirement. So that, and again I'm telling it every time, we cannot specify rk equal to 1 because rk is not a specific column over here, it is just an alias, right? So we cannot use the same alias in the same query. For that purpose, either we have to use the derived table or we have to use the common table expressions, right? because of the specific SQL order execution. So over here I have encapsulated this block into the city and then RK equal to 1. So this is our result set. So if you see this result set with compare with this output, expected output, then it is same, right? So this is how you can write into the through city. Now how can this we can write with the derived table? So it is very simple one. We have to write the select star from, then this will become our entire table, right? And where rk equal to 1, and here whatever the columns are there we can mention over here in place of star, right? So let me execute both of these query. So both are giving the same result, right? So this concept is known as a derived table in SQL Server. And select query in the from clause of a select statement that is known as a inline view in the Oracle. And inline, right? So this is how you can write the same query with two different result sets. Correct? So thank you so much everyone. I will come up with the another SQL problem as soon as possible. Thank you.